Weinberger Holz is a family business that dates back to 1854. Together with my father, I am now running it in the 6th generation. We have 93 employees on 2 sites. Our product range comprises laminated timber and timber ceilings, which we produce in Abtenau. Our site in Carinthia manufactures log house planks and duobacken, all for the construction industry, and in the last few years, also wall elements. We are particularly proud of the fact that we can now deliver products with CE markings. Our requirement profile had 2 top priorities. First of all, we needed something we could absolutely rely on. Something that would work well, run reliably, with a high level of availability. Secondly, noise emissions are a big theme. As you can see, we are surrounded by nature, and our neighbors require us to keep noise to a minimum. The minimal noise that comes from a slow-running unit was definitely a factor in our decision. Of course, UNTHA shredding technology was already a market leader at the time. In total, we have 4 shredders in operation, all slow-running 4-shaft models, the RS line. Our UNTHA shredders mostly process cap pieces in many different dimensions and lengths, which is relatively difficult for the machines. As far as sizing is concerned, the 4-shaft shredders were definitely a good choice, as they allow us to shred our cap pieces quietly and reliably. The output material is highly homogeneous and even, making it particularly well suited for pellet production in hammer mills. The way the geometry of the perforated screen is designed also opens up a more specialized area of application, as the output material is even enough to be used in the production of cement-bound sound absorption elements, a good market for shredded material. For us, the advantages are obvious. Availability is a key factor. We want to focus on the bonding of load-bearing wooden construction elements without having to worry about what happens with the cap pieces. We hardly ever have a situation where an employee needs to go over to the machine or where any sort of user intervention is required. The machines work quietly, reliably, 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. We have been customers of the service packages that you can buy from UNTHA for many years. The service package we have chosen is top of the range, the gold version. This means that we have the machines thoroughly inspected once a year. The inspection is performed during our annual summer shutdown, when the production line stops. I have absolutely no qualms about recommending UNTHA shredding technology products. I am convinced that these are great solutions. We have recommended them to others many times, and we know that they work equally well at our colleagues' facilities.